Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Jail. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you people. God will continue to bless you people for me because this my subscribers. I don't expect and say I go even get them. So now do well. Thank you. My people, and at this Kevin matter that we see there. This Kevin matter because I know say maybe some of una go they say, what it concern you, Lady J? What it concern you? It concern me because now I do boy. It concern me. Or what concern me make kakabo? It concern me because also suppose now why you jage a Kevin. You know, because I been do one video before. So when it say you don't know say the woman, you don't know say na man because the woman not tell him. But according to the woman, they say tell him say in a man before. You understand? Because I can't watch one video, wait 12 them. They don't even do many live video before. Wait 12 they do live video. When they even they ask Kevin, say, tell me what make you love me like this. Tell me what make you love me like this. Because the thing they surprise them, the way you tell love her. Kevin can say, Kevin can they laugh. And a live video now she did that day. Kevin can they laugh. So he saying tell Kevin right from time. Kevin no. Say in a man. Kevin no right from time. And according to what we call the year again, they say that's what they did, that's what they do. So our boys where they there. Who are here wa gboni gbe onisanwo doni. He? They say all of una for that side. Now what una they do now una walk. Una they like to do am from back. Hey, my people, so that's what they do for that side. Kevin. Now you come back, you back come at that day they call a part, they do like say you be innocent, you be this, you be that. Many videos come they come out. Even when the woman even they tell you that they say, Kevin, why did you love me like this? Even when you know saying a man, and you even know saying got HIV, you can't they laugh. The woman tell you for video when me watch. I go find that video again. I'll put on for this video. Mona Siam. The woman they tell you say Kevin, even when you know say he get HIV, you not still care. The woman say he tell you. The woman not be say the woman say I see her for video, but you deny say you don't know. Say you never see the woman before you don't know her. My people, me no can understand though. Since when this Kevin take happen, the woman they do video, the way our boys, Igbo boys, can't say they call the way Igbo say they call this woman, now they still call even they surprise me, my people. This woman they do live video for YouTube. Igbo people, that's all na be. Igbo we call this woman not be small one, no. That's all of them they So Igbo people that's all na be. They can't even they drag the woman call they say Nigerians, they are fighting because of me. Nigerians are fighting because of me. One they call her for video, one they call her for phone. They show their face. The other one they say, if I hammer you, if I hammer you, you don't go wake up till daybreak. The woman said, "Now what you want?" The other one see they talk for the other side. Say, you not go fit beat me. Oh, if me handle this woman, you not go even about to call you. I was like, those people are they kidding me right now? She come they say na wetin she want. He say na wetin he want. He say in fact, he go even invite 2 of una. One go dey back, one go dey front. That is it. That's what Nigerians just come. Some Nigerians just come like they are. That's what they are. In one way they go to her because the man do ye boy at ye bonny at me. Una brain don't come just dey okay again. I be waiting. Waiting them everybody they quarrel for Kevin for all of them now they call the woman now they even praise the woman for what he do Kevin. All of them now they even they say I wanna like her as a sincere woman. Wanna really like her. I was like, are those people are they kidding me? Me I don't understand Duna Egeo my people. I don't understand Duna Egeo. Since when this Kevin say happen, different things now come they happen for social media. Different people like how they call the woman though. Igbo boys. One call her for video that day to say if he hammer him. So most they go there again. Even when this woman they talk Abu na this one a joke idi. She not the joke oh. Na don't see person not get sickness you go dey lie saying get. Una don't ever see am. Even when you be say you even know, they know. She dey talk am for all the live video. They even see the talk and say, Nigerians, people are fighting because of me. And you people know I didn't get HIV. Una no know. All of them see they follow am. I was like, are those people, are they kidding me right now? I bet they don't know the meaning of that sickness. For Benin, who giagbe? That's yeah. Because me, I don't understand our people again. No. The way boys come to they call this woman now, she do popular now, not be small. She do popular. It can't be like saying now Kevin, you continue use Kevin to popular now. Everybody now want to know this woman. Everybody want to know her now. Me not can't understand when I get my people. Me not can't know where this word they turn it to again. No. She even see the tell her saying na man no. Me not know say our boys. And I can see here another one again. Now they say Italy. Hey, wait. They say Italy now. Our boys go just line up. They stay for street. Some evil girls they stay street again now. Yeah, waiting yeah. They say all the boys now. Now back all of the they do now. Hey, both the ones who they say that they do shorty. Now waiting we just see the year now. Now say Hey. Me not can understand what you call the happen for this word again, no. This word, the one come to an end that be waiting now. Me not can understand my people. When I just listen to this video, one live video where one lady do, I say, they say now what our boys they do now. Since we can video they come out, different talk now when they come out. And that's with the way they say every day. They say they know they see. They know the see girl, a girlfriend like that. Say many of them. That's also back now that they do for them. So back our boys where they there. So some say it don't wake up, it don't they do one. So now this woman own I can bring her come out. Different talk. Different talk. What you can just make me believe Kevin? I can't see many videos where Kevin they do with this woman. What this woman they tell us say, even when you even know, say, in got HIV, you know, but you still they follow him. Now that one they even they surprise him inside. You say, why you love him? Why you love him like this? Kevin they laugh. 12 they even do live video for YouTube. They do live video for different places. Kevin was doing all those things with this woman before she can finally expose her way. But Kevin, you see the lie. Kevin, you don't feel deny this one again, my dear. All the video full everywhere. You can't deny this. There's no how you are going to deny this one. Lie. It's not possible. It's not possible. Kevin. Our boys now can just tire me past. Now the way they call this woman, the way they make her they feel important, the way they make her they feel say they make here be her. No know what I want call am again. Whether na man go call am, whether na woman no, me I don't know. I no can just know what I want call am again now. Because our boys can't they make so that she can't even go sing now. He say he need man for Nigeria. He need man for Nigeria. He want marry Nigeria man. Zimbabwe don't finish. Go carry for your place now. Me not know what you see for. I don't know what we make our Nigeria boys they fool themselves. Some of our Nigeria boys don't be everybody, my people. I not know why they fool themselves. This one now, where this one they do now. Everybody now they verse. Many of our boys they even call them the more. She can't get many followers. Many boys they call them now. They say they want see them. They want do too. We may not finish now for everywhere. Where our girls come there now? Girls see many as Jerusalem just sweet rich. Una send her back now. Una want now. Now back all of una call the soul una want now. My people, I beg. More una not they do back again. Waiting with the year now say Italy now boys they line up now. They do that work now. I beg. Oh, this one not be ordinary again. No, waiting on the apple now for this world. Now me, I not can understand them again. Oh, this one now don't pass. It don't pass. Be careful, my people. Waiting on the apple now. This one, not be ordinary again. No, this one don't pass. Be careful. Not be waiting here. Go the year again. This one not be good thing at all. This one not be good thing at all. Because what you call the happen these days, it passed me. Oh. I don't know I want to talk. I don't know I want to describe them. This one, it passed me. Because we need to do video. Maybe people they hear and many people need to talk for this matter, Because what you call the apple these days now, it not good for here again, It not good again. Now say our boys they line up now. They also Oyibo they can't do one with them. They say that they rain now. Many for our boys they call this woman now. Guys, we're single. More than the look guys for on dates now. Because sickness don't fool everywhere. This one where our boys they now they call this woman now. The many of them go get girlfriend. I beg if they friend any boy now. In fact, married woman too. Married man, if you know say your husband they flirt, they do test. Oh, this one where people dey now will not understand again. So men they go get wife for us now. So with their wife go dey innocent for us. They go carry 1 year sickness can't give their woman. You understand? I beg my people. If you know say you get husband, you get you be single girl, you the friend boy. I beg, go do test before you carry HIV. I beg, go do test now waiting they rain for everywhere now. As all of them they call this whether na Zimbabwe woman be Uganda be I don't know what I want call them. As all of them they call them now, make you not go for victim. Your boyfriend go do and finish can't carry this sickness can't give you. I beg go more often they do test now because this woman now the way our boys the rate of our Igbo boys what is the worry now? Una dey una body, Igbo boys. Una dey una body. Una can like all those kind things. See the whole of una just they call her Igbo. Me even surprised how Benin boy go for waiting for that kind of thing. Because they hardly see Benin boy say they for this kind of thing. Igbo, they be not say this woman dey. You see the way that they call her now, they make this woman they feel important now. My people, the thing they even surprise me. I don't know, so now so Igbo boys now so they mugre rich. I don't know. The thing even they surprise me now. The way they call this woman, the way they make her feel important, the way they make her they happy. That they even something that they drag for her for phone. That they drag. This one they say I ain't want career. The other one they say I ain't want career. She was forced to even say, Nigerians are fighting because of me. Oh. Nigerians are fighting because of me. Oh. I was like, girls don't finish for our side. Fine, beautiful girls don't finish. They don't finish for our side. We be saying, Igbo boys, man like una. Now I come to look for now. Me, I not gonna understand again. No, I don't understand what the apple for this world again. Whether this world one can come to an end, me, I don't know again. So my people, who get here, make it here. Oh, this one advice. Oh, Kevin now. In the day one leg now, you go close the leg now for some time now. The shame when you don't give to yourself now this period now, when you can't say popular, follow all the social media now, you go get sense now. You go even they advise other people now. Yeah, you go they advise other people now because what you don't see this period they're not the tell man, no. They're not the tell man, You go there now the reason now say that's why you just say fool yourself. Because beneath that they hardly be fool themselves like this. See Igbo. All of them now just going to call this man now. When I don't know so that they do all those back things. So me surprised now say all of them they call them, they say I want see them, this, that, you know. My people. Make una take a busy this one don't pass Jerome it don't pass. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Because that's why I talk the matter I show Until I come your way next time, I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye, and share this video and like my video. Always put thumbs up for me, please, and leave a good comment, please. Thank you, everybody, and take care. Bye.